The only way to build a highly profitable, super sustainable online business, and how you can get started today, even if you have no experience, had failed before, or you're new. Since you're watching this video right now, I'm making a few guesses about you. You want to make money online. You've seen other people making a seemingly extraordinary income. You are clueless on how they do it, even though they don't seem to be much smarter than you. And because you're not sure what to do, you're going around in circles. If this sounds like you right now, then listen up. This might just be the most important video you'll watch. And if you are serious about creating a business that not only serves people and gives immense value, you want to generate an online income of epic proportions, then you owe it to yourself to watch this to the end. If you study all the top online business owners and marketers that are banking in 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures even, what do they all have in common? They may run various business models from e-commerce and digital products to coaching programs and services, but I'll tell you what they do to create a consistent, stable income: list building. You might have heard it before. The money is in the list. But what if I told you that mantra is just half true? You see, if you just go out, whip up free content, and try to attract people to get onto your list, sure, that might work to a certain degree. And there are mailing list owners with tens or hundreds of thousands of subscribers, yet they barely make any sale to justify their huge following. Why is that? You see, if all you do is give out free stuff, hoping people will like you in turn, well, guess what? Instead of building a list of buyers, you wind up with a list of freeloaders. Freeloaders here to waste your time, sap your energy, and demand everything for free, because they've been conditioned wrongly right from the beginning. If there's anything I want you to get out of this video today, it's this. The purpose of building a list is to make money, period. It's not to give away free stuff. It's not to entertain your subscribers. It's definitely not to spoil your followers. So in actuality, the money is not in the list, it is in the buyer's list. Now throughout business, you will certainly build these two types of lists: prospects and buyers. But here are 5 reasons why you should focus more on building a buyer's list. Number 1, responsive. Even a small list of buyer's lists can bring in more sales than a larger list of freebie subscribers. Number 2, spending history. People who have purchased from you before are more likely to buy again. Number 3, sell more products easily. They are more open to promotions and offers. Number 4, trust factor. You've earned their trust the first time they made a purchase. They know you're not a snake oil salesman, but an honest marketer who provides massive value. Number 5, quality over quantity. Less complaints, and generally the high-ticket customers have less problems than freebie seekers. So you take your pick. This is why I created this program, Massive Buyers List. It will be too long to mention in this video, but here's just a preview of what I cover in this course. 5 different effective methods to build a list of highly responsive buyers. Learn the powerful methods to build a huge list of buyers that will ramp up your profits. How to convince other people to send buyers to your list. Find out how I get my competitors to willingly send me their buyers list without using and sort of ad swaps or cross promotions. How to use viral reports to build yourself a buyers list. Leverage on a free viral report to get more subscribers without resorting to giveaway rights, or you might end up with a list of freebie seekers. Build your credibility and be seen as an authority. This is an important piece of the puzzle. Once they know who you are and learn to trust you, it makes it easier for them to subscribe to your list. Launch jacking methods. Use product launches to create a list of rabid buyers. 4 great places to look for joint ventures. Find the people and partners who will push you to greater success and build your list of buyers from scratch. Master the art of persuasion. Learn 4 critical points in your proposal to build your buyers list when you approach other marketers in your niche. How to maximize your newly built buyers list for recurring profits. and more. Imagine making double, triple, or even 10x the sales from a small targeted list versus a large list of freebie seekers. This is a well-kept secret by the gurus for a long time. Never have to worry about growing a bigger list every single time. Learn how to get a group of buyers into your list and you have your own little ATM ready to go. The best part about it is you're about to learn how to do all these in the next few clicks. For many reasons, I should be putting at least a $200 sticker price to this, though I really should ask for more. And still, you will get returns many times the price I asked for. Why? Once you start building a business that generates $100, $200, $500 days even, this investment would have paid itself many times over. But I'll cut to the chase. I want to make this as readily available to as many people as possible, so I'll make this affordable. So if you scroll down this page, you'll see I'm giving instant access to massive buyers list for next to nothing. My reason is simple. I want to prove my worth to you first. Once you see my stuff works, wait till you see my high level. So act now. Click on the order button below and get your access through our secure server. Look, you don't have to say yes right now. Just a maybe will do. There is a chance this isn't the first time you're buying a program that promises you will make a lot of money. And truth be told, I'd be a fool to make tall promises. Because I don't know you personally. I don't know your work ethics or your level of commitment. But here's what I can do for you so we can make this a win-win situation. For the next 30 days, you can check out my massive buyers list training risk-free. This means you have a full 1 month to go through the program, check it inside out, and apply it to your business. If for any reason this doesn't meet your strict expectations, I'll buy your access back from you. You've got nothing to lose. The risk of your purchase is on me. But promise me one thing, you put to action fast and act now.